Hey guys, Tony here. So I've been waiting for this for a very long time. LSS might actually close a bullish day today, which would basically let me know that 135 would more than likely be the bottom of LSS. And the reason I say that is because it did have a super nice jump from these bottoms to the high side, and I'm really debating. Because I sold my Shiba Inu, I'm really debating whether or not to essentially sell a crap ton of my portfolio and throw it into LossLess like right now. Because if we do end up running back to all-time highs, which I do think is a big possibility, from here to all-time highs would net me a full 100% gain. And I'm kind of debating on throwing 10K at this right now, because it definitely found the floor. It bounced off of the previous channel that it was running on. So I'll show you guys here, right? So previous channel would be right here. It bounced off perfectly, right? So you see that wick, perfectly wicked to the previous bullish top on this channel right here, and it's staying consistently in this lane in this channel. So I'm strongly debating if I should really consider putting a little bit more money into this, because I really think that if it ends up breaking to the upside, I think these resistance levels aren't really going to stop it, and I think it's going to go up and break above that $2.60 mark, especially right before alt season is starting. And I definitely, like I said, I just like LossLess as a crypto. I do like their I like what their model is. I like what the business model is. I love that not only can they prevent hacks, but they can also give back if you are to be hacked in an exchange or in a wallet. I don't know about a wallet, but an exchange definitely. So I do like their use case. I basically think that it's insurance on the dollar, and as of right now, it's basically on trend, right? It's basically on trend right here, literally on trend, right there. If I had a markup a brand new trend, let me see if I can. There we go. So I'd probably say that brand new trend is right there. And if it ends up breaking out to the upside, if it ends up breaking to this level, you have all of this room to run, all of that room to run. So super debating if I should, buy a little bit more of LossLess, especially right now with the daily that's going to close bullish. Maybe if it closes bullish in about 4 hours, then I might just sell, a couple, a grand or $2 or $3 and I might just buy LossLess here and maybe ride it back up to $2.60. If it hits that, probably cash out a little bit of profit and then leave the rest and ride it out, right? But I don't know. I think LossLess is going to go up, and I've been waiting for so long. I've been waiting since October 20th, 20th, when you had that last peak on LossLess. So I've been waiting about 2 weeks or so for this to finally happen, and I hate it because it took so long. But it looks like we finally found some bottoms here on the stochastic, and it looks like we're finally going to be closing a bullish trigger on LossLess. So I'm definitely going to be bullish if this happens in the next 4 hours or so. We'll see what's going on, but just quick TA to those that are still in LossLess. Obviously I'm still up a lot because I bought way down here somewhere. I definitely have already seen a 5x from here. But I'm just debating if I should put more money in it now. But LossLess does look like it's going to go up. It looks like it's found the bottom. If it ends up breaking to the low side here, obviously we can go all the way down to 88 cents, and that would really suck. But I'm waiting for that day trigger on the bull side to finally close, and then hopefully seeing what happens after that. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.